Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove the Photos app from your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in apps. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and select that. And then the search this list field over here on the right, you want to go ahead and search for photos. Best results should come back with photos. Go ahead and select that and then select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Confirm by selecting the uninstall button, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.